From humble beginning, the most I rise. Hail King Selassie and burn them likewise. Now bow to them system when I promote life. I love conquer all to survive. The youth side the lion of King Judah's tribe. And hail the king of Ethiopian pride.
Brian, you already know what time it is. Back with another video. And she's gonna be right, boy. Can't wait. Yeah, so what I got going on today, just my lights. So I'm about done. I just been trying to sort everything out before I button all this up and figure out what's going on. Just do a little experimenting because I followed the diagram, and unless I'm not gonna say I wasn't doing that wrong, because I followed the diagram to the T, right? So the diagram basically says all the greens goes to the green wire, passenger side, all the yellow wires goes to the driver's side for both sides, right? And all the brown wires go to the running lights. And then you have your opposite side ground wires, and you also have your orange wire that goes to the orange wire, which goes to the constant power source. And what I found was it don't work like that. So it worked, right? So when I did it the way they did it, everything worked fine. The lights were sequential, which means when you turn the driver's side on, it goes that way. Turn the passenger side on, it goes that way on the turn signal. Now when you hit the hazard lights on this side, they split and go two different ways. But on this side, it just kept going that way, right? So I wanted everything to do the same exact thing. So I swapped around a little bit of wires. Of course, I went to Google. Guys said, well, the typical, and actually I got this from the Digi Tails site, and it said that typically all the wires don't really wire up like that all the time. So what I did was I took I had the green wire from the driver's side running to the passenger side, as the diagram said, but I brought them back over here. And I brought the yellow lines that the diagram said that goes to the driver's side, I brought them back over here. And when I did that, then I got everything to work right. So when I put my hazard lights on, it did what it was supposed to do. And but the difference is now the lights don't do the sequential thing no more. They don't do that no more. They just post. They post. You know what I mean? They post. They're still sequential because one goes that way, the other one goes that way. But I'm cool with that. You know what I mean? So as long as everything is doing the same thing, I'm cool with that. I kind of want it directional, but it didn't come out that way. So, but I'll deal with that. I'll take that. You know what I mean? Because I don't feel like, playing with it all day. And I just can't see how. I guess if I play with the wires a little bit more, then I could probably get it to do that, because there's so many wires, as you can see. All these wires do different things. Like 5 wires come out of each of the LED pads that's inside the light encasement. So, so that's 20 wires all together. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna play with all that. I'm kind of satisfied with that. And hopefully when I put everything together, start it up, and get it packed in nice and neat, I won't burn nothing up. And if I did, I just paid to learn how to do it right. So, but to show you guys what it look like. All right, that's the hazard lights. And let me go give you guys the turn lights. See, before it was just going that way for the left side, but I still think that's kind of fly, so I'll leave it like that for now. Let me use these park lights. Man, that's so clear. And I swapped out the running lights for the marker lights for some LEDs, some red LEDs. Can't really tell the difference, but I thought it might be a little bit brighter than the regular bulb. These are the old bulbs here. Yeah, so that's what I got going on, man. I'm about to tighten this back up, give y'all guys another video. So just another step in the journey, man. Another step in the journey. Loving it. Yep, she done. That's that right signal. Not a bad job, not a hard job. Check these hazard lights out. Yep, that's it. Like I said, man, this wasn't a bad job. Like I said, you know, if you want to get down to nitty gritty, you know, on how to do it, there's a couple guys I follow on YouTube. Just Google LED light install on G-Body, and you'll find a couple guys that got videos that will show you step by step how to do it. But like I said, the only thing is you buy the if you buy the package, and I can't even talk today. The instructions say to wire everything into one, and that's not how you do it, you know. Or it didn't work that way for me. When I followed the instructions to the T, then I didn't get the result for the hazard lights like this. Now everything else worked properly, but my hazard lights on each side, one side was doing one thing, and one side was doing something totally different. And I just didn't want that. I wanted all my stuff to do the same thing. So that's where we at. We done for the day. Got to oh, there's some other stuff too, man. So come to find out, I replaced my hydro boost because I thought my hydro boost was leaking, but it's not my hydro boost. It's the MC. And I realized that the other day when I put it back in, when I was bench bleeding it, that the MC was leaking brake fluid. So I bought a new MC. I need to get some stock in Summit, boy, because I done spend a rack of money over there. But yeah, I got a new same MC. I'm going back to the same MC, and gonna get all that ready and rock and roll, and we're gonna be good. So we're gonna swap that out because, like I said, the brake pedal is still soft. I got brakes, but the brake pedal is still soft. So we're gonna swap it out, and shit should be ready. Got my new MC in. Yeah, like I was saying, man, it was leaking. So, and it bench bleed that last night, got all the air holes out. So now my brake pedal is where it needs to be at. I got my hard brake pedal. It ain't soft no more. So we about to take this out. See if we can dial it in a little bit. And get back to it. That's that nighttime view. Thing's bright. Look at my little minion. Yep. Yeah, so we also get it retuned to see if I'm going to LS swap it or not. Then we go in the interior and paint. We out.